guys, good morning. It's me again, KaTinang TV. So today it's a Valentine's Day. So we're going to unbox this gift and we'll do the unboxing of that also. I got from Christmas gift, but I didn't have a chance to unbox that. And also he got alright.
You can see it.
He got the flowers for me also. So let's do an unboxing your gift, honey.
I don't trust her with knives. She's had stitches before.
Happy Valentine's, love.
Happy Valentine's Day. So I get to do the unveil.
Yeah.
6?
I'll let you unbox that, love, since that's your gift.
No, that's our gift.
No, it's your gift. I bought it for you. It's a coffee maker! Woohoo!
Gravity. What's on that side? Oh, the same thing. Coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos.
So,
Coffee shot for specialty drinks.
yeah.
4 cup sizes. 6 brew. Dishwasher safe.
Let's open it inside. That's a coffee creamer that you can make.
I wonder if it can.
Oh, honey, move it. There you go. That's his coffee creamer that you can make latte. Shut-up. Wait, I take off it. Uy. Chandran.
So we get $3 off Cafe Bustelo. $2 off of 8 o'clock. Alright, so here is the latte.
Ooh, and that's the coffee creamer maker. Now be careful. Ooh, I know, I like it.
What's this for? Oh, you take
Oh,
that off.
yeah, you need to take off to put some water. H2O.
I don't know if my mug's going to fit underneath that or not.
Show in front of us, me.
Huh?
Show us. Yeah, you just need to take off that black one. Then you can put your mug, your big tall mug.
You got off that?
Yeah. Yay.
This is just a coffee drip.
Yep. And put the other one.
Oh,
The for latte.
here?
Yeah. Ta-da!
The good news is we don't have to take this anywhere, so
Yep.
we can throw the box away.
There's one more tape.
What is it? Oh. How easy is that to get off the home?
There's one tape, babe.
Where? Oh. Not very easy to take.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's
Yay!
Oh,
That's the coffee creamer niya.
that's it. So, here we go.
And according here,
So what we're gonna do is
so the Keurig cafe, you can make coffee, lattes, and cappuccino, which is we like cappuccino.
so yeah, you just take that.
Strong brew 4 cups, so that's good. And yeah, same thing. So that's it. That's our coffee creamer, maker.
So let's see how complicated it is.
And let's do this first.
Do what?
This one, we're going to unbox everything.
Okay, well you do that one.
Alright. So let's unbox this, guys. It's been a long time since I got this one. Last Christmas. And we went to South Carolina. We stayed a month there. So that's why we didn't have a chance to unbox our Christmas gift. Oh, just a storage, plastic storage containers. So there's big bowl, there's medium, there's small. What else? And also there's for sandwiches. And there for, of course there's a lid, so that's good. I'll throw away the old ones. There you go. Done with that. Let's unbox this one. The Magic Bullet Juicer.
Wow, this takes up a lot of room.
Yan. Oh, there's warranty registration cards. And also the manual is here. I think this is the lid for the cups. Ah, there you go. Tadaan!
Takes up less space this way.
It's okay. So this is the blend, the juicer. Oh, cool. Ta-da! Yeah, I like this one. I want a small one because we have blender, but
We forgot to show the champagne for right
it's okay. And we have a small cup and we have a medium cup. At least there's a holder, so that's good. Yeah. And also, let's go to the finale.
Yeah, that's definitely yours.
Yeah, that's
Wow,
mine.
there's a lot of cold air coming out of there.
Oh,
And from boiler.
ang magulo sa bedsheet. Wait, this is not my stuff. Alright. Let's unbox this one. T-fal kitchen solution. So there's one 5-quart covered jumbo cooker. There's 9.5 inches fry pan. There's also 8 inches fry pan. There's also a 10.25 inches square griddle. Is it griddle?
Yeah, it's a
Also,
griddle for pancakes.
there's a 5-quart Dutch oven or pot. It's a pot. 2 quarts of covered saucepan, and also there's also 1 quart of saucepan and 1 egg wonder. And they have 3 pieces of baking tray, pizza pan, 7 kitchen tools, and measuring spoons. So let's see. It's unboxed. Wow, honey, I think I need your help here. Okay.
Here.
Hallelujah. Alright. There you go.
That's like Christmas.
I know. Oh, so I like it. It's red. I love red. is the big. Ooh, nice.
It's for my chili.
Yeah, honey, and it's red. I love red. What? Honey, this is your egg wonder. It's so small.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what they said in the box. One egg wonder.
Oh, that's great for sandwiches. That's the perfect size for a sandwich.
Really? Cool.
Yeah, like a biscuit, sausage and egg biscuit.
So I have big one. And this is the saucer pan.
Saucepan.
Oh, saucer. I mean saucepan. I like that. Oh, honey, I like it.
We have to register all these products.
Yeah. And it's non-stick, so that's good. That's what I like. Non-stick.
Hopefully not what like the movie sauce.
I know, right? And this is the frying pan.
Well, there's
Small.
two.
Yeah, but there's two.
That's a 9-inch.
Oh, I mean, I like it.
And you gotta be careful so you
You
don't
told me
scratch
about
it.
this one, but I don't know.
Yeah, it turns red when it's hot.
Oh, this is the tray. The free tray. Oh, small one. I thought it's 9.5 inches. Oh, this is the griddle.
Pancakes?
It's a
Griddle.
Griddle.
Pancakes and I guess you could get bacon.
It's nice.
in it, too.
Oh,
You might be able to just put bacon on that.
this one.
Use that.
Oh my god, this is big. Wow, this is huge. What size is this? Oh, guys, it's big, huge. Wow. I have a problem.
That's the cover jumbo cooker, 5-quart.
Where I'm going to store this. This is my problem now. Wow, I like it. Ah. Oh, this is the.
That's a saucepan. The other
This-
one's not a saucepan. It's a cooking pan.
This is a small saucepan. Wow, I like it. Ooh.
Yeah, oh, you're right. The other one was a 2-quart saucepan. That's a 1-quart saucepan.
So that's good, and I like it because it's red. It will be much in our couch.
What to do with match on our couch?
I
We're
just
not
love
going to be
red.
cooking on the couch.
And this is the
Good idea.
this measuring spoon. We do have a lot of this, so,
That's
but
a pizza
it's a
pan
free.
in the bottom.
So we keep that. And oh, honey, we can throw all the bad ones
Yeah,
since
we
we
can
have new.
Not all of them, just the bad ones.
Ooh, yeah, the bad ones.
What's this one for?
I don't know. So we have kitchen tools or spatula. Is it spatula? Yeah, it's a spatula.
Wait,
We have
we have
1, 2,
2 spatulas.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's 7. So that's good.
This is a strainer or some sort of thing. I'm sure it's pretty.
Sorry guys, tapon-tapon lang yan dyan, ha? Oh, another frying pan. Love.
Yeah.
So how many frying
That
pans
used to
do
be
you
our
have?
1-egg wonder.
I thought that was the egg
No, that
wonder.
is the 1-egg wonder. I said what we used to make, that was our 1-egg wonder.
Yeah, that was too small, my goodness. And also the pizza pan. I mean, we have lots of pizza
Do
pan.
we have a lid that fits on this? I think
No,
this
we
does.
don't. I think it will
No,
fit.
that doesn't fit.
No. Lastly, we have
Interesting.
pizza pan. Yeah.
That's a medium pizza.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
Yep.
Stuff I throw away.
Alright, guys. I think that's all the bags.
Oh, and here's the fruit trays.
No. That is your gift. And that's not mine, so I won't open it. So I think, guys, that's all my video for today. We just want to unbox everything we got from Christmas.